Before you complete your purchase, let's ensure you've got the perfect replacement battery for your device. Here are some quick checks to make sure everything fits and works just right. First, check the model number on your original battery and confirm it matches the one in our product description. Also, verify that your device model is listed. This is key for compatibility. Ensure the battery chemistry matches your original, like replacing lithium ion with the same type. Next, verify the voltage. Slight variations are okay, like 14.4 volts replacing 14.8 volts. Compare the physical dimensions of the replacement battery with your original to ensure a proper fit. Lastly, if you are not 100% sure that this battery will fit, live chat with us or create a ticket, and we will confirm for you. Double-checking these details will help ensure a smooth and satisfying purchase. If you have questions, we're here to help. Thanks for choosing CanadianBatteries.com.